I'm Darren Dieleman. I'm the Vice President of Operations with Interstates. Interstates has been in business for nearly 70 years. We're a specialty contractor with over 1,100 employees across the United States and a handful in Germany. We're a large systems integrator. We focus on OT work, networking design, industrial automation, analytics studies. We also have a panel shop, and we do electrical design and installation as well, which is a little bit of a different, unique differentiator from most systems integrators. We're very strong in what we call value-added agriculture. Anything that touches a kernel of corn or a soybean, we're very much involved in the processing of. We're also strong in food and beverage, energy and chemical, consumer packaged goods. We do data center work, and we're also in the water and wastewater markets as well. Our clients really should expect a partner that's going to listen to them, understand their problems and challenges, and then design and implement a solution that gives them the most bang for the buck. We're not just simply trying to sell our clients on software or on solutions that they potentially don't need. Getting to actual solutions that will make a difference, help clients reduce waste, lower operating costs, increase the speed in production, help supplement the worker shortage that we know we're all struggling with right now. Those are the things that our clients should expect to get when working with Interstates. Rockwell Automation is the dominant automation supplier in the United States. And so our partnership and certifications with Rockwell Automation give our clients confidence that we're verified and a trusted partner of Rockwell, and we'll be able to effectively deliver the solution that they need.